It's time for another Miniverse opening, and please don't ask me about the audio. I had to mute it because I messed it up, but basically I'm saying I have way too many of these and I need to open them up, but because of the cheat sheet, I know what all of them are. So let's pick a random one and see what we got. So let's open a Series 2 Diner capsule from Miniverse. This is the one with the ramen on the front. Found this at my Walmart, and I think it's a dessert. So let's put together the table, and we have a little fork, and we have a ton of cherry-topped whipped cream. Super fun. I love having lots of these because they're great for desserts. Then we have a chocolate syrup, UV resin, of course. This is not real, y'all. Y'all know that, but some people don't. I forget that not all my videos are watched by collectors. So we have the chocolate bundt cake, super freaking cute, adorable. That's how it looks, and we will soon make our own version.